Now, when a child reaches the extremities of starvation, you think that they will need medical attention to survive. They actually don't. All they need is this, and this is what's called Plumpy'Nut. My name is Tufel Hussain, and I'm the Director of Islamic Relief UK, and I want to share with you my accounts of severe acute malnutrition. In Yemen, 2.3 million children under the age of 5 are facing severe malnutrition. When I was there in 2016, I visited villages where hundreds of children were literally starving to death. Mothers had no food, and the only thing that they could give to their children was recycled black tea. I met a young child called Salim who had got to such a stage that they had to be hospitalized. And when I saw him, it was shocking to see a child in that state. The circumference of his arm was no bigger than a 2-pence coin, literally just bone and skin. The process of severe malnutrition is a painful one. And when children go through that process, at the beginning, they're crying and they're sharing with you the pain of hunger. But after a few weeks, the cries go away because they have no energy left to communicate or to inform you about the pain that they're going through. Now, when a child reaches the extremities of starvation, you think that they will need medical attention to survive. They actually don't. All they need is this, and this is what's called Plumpy'Nut. It's cheap, it's practical, easily available, and easy for organizations to deliver in some of the most hardest to reach areas like Afghanistan, Yemen, Somalia, Syria, where children are starving. And quite simply, it's just a peanut paste. When anybody's starving at that extreme level, it cannot eat normal food. Because when it tries, the body rejects it, immediately vomiting out. This is the one thing that the body will accept, and it provides a high infusion of energy and nutrition almost immediately. And the results are amazing. Overnight, you see a difference in these children just by this simple intervention. Task Force GLM have taken on the responsibility to save tens of thousands of children across the world that are facing starvation. For just £78, you can help save the lives of 3 children. Right now, millions of children in Afghanistan, in Syria, in Yemen, in East Africa, in Somalia and Sudan are facing starvation. Please, do all that you can. Join us in this fight to combat global hunger. Donate at the link given below.